trying to build on a 3-point lead. Jewett and trying to find the cutting Byers before out in front.
Little miscommunication there. Byers needs to cut with her head up so she gets her head under the rim and then she can get out. Jewett needs to be aware that Brianna is actually cutting with her head down there though. You don't want to throw that. What you could do there though, if you're Layla Jewett, drive off of that cut, maybe get an easy right hand layup.
So Anna Wayford's back into the game. Freshman had 8 in the opening 20 minutes. He's looking to add on, and she does. Anna Wayford's third 3 of the ball game. We're back to a tie game.
What a performance from this young lady, the freshman from Rockford, Michigan. I met her aunt and her nephew in the crowd. They live in the area here, and she's putting on a show for her family in town.
Wayford's the guy that, the gal that's going to be a walk. That Coach Parkinson says, look, she's our best shooter. She's still adjusting. She's got the great IQ. She's just adjusting to the college game. But as I think it's the old trope by coaches, this time of year, you're not a freshman anymore.
Absolutely. We didn't Big East battles already. Look at this player. They're going to her again. But she plays like a veteran player at this point in the season. Skilled, crafty, creative, and a shot maker. The percentages are terrific for a freshman. 37 from 3, 77 from the free throw line.
Apparently draws rim from Stoddard, one of the 3 returners for Butler this year. Lecky. Double comes.
Wow.
And finds Byers for the deuce.
We talked about it on post touches. They might double, dive opposite block. Byers has done a nice job diving and cutting, getting easy baskets in the paint here this afternoon.
Leverage cut off. Cross-court pass. Jackson for 3. Kept alive. That'll be a foul on Georgetown. As the Zeemster and company keeping it alive and keeping it active for Butler. They trail the Hoyas by 2 here in DC.
Adulting? Overrated. Financial freedom? Now that's the move. Meet Alumnify. Banking built for real life. No jargon. No hassle. Just smart money moves made simple. Want to save more? Spend smarter? Build wealth? We've got your back. With 0 hidden fees and game-changing savings rates. This is banking that fits your life. Alumnify. Let's go.